Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be installing a weatherguard floor in our RAM ProMaster City, so let's get into it. The tools we use for this install are a T40 Torx bit and socket wrench. All right, you're gonna see this is a very simple install. In fact, we've heard from many of our customers it takes longer to get it out of the box than it does to put in the back of the van. We actually wanna retain our D-rings here in the back, so we're gonna take these out first, put the floor in, and then reinstall those. And what we need for this is just a Torx T40. We're gonna take those out, put the floor in, reattach it, and hopefully we can get it done quickly. Now, if we didn't want to retain the D-rings, we'd be done at this point. It just puts in place, it's cut to fit around the wheel well and the doors. It kind of butts up right to this threshold here for the rear door. And it goes right up against our partition up there. It's a weatherguard partition, so they work pretty nicely together. If you didn't have a partition in there, you would probably be about an inch or two short, but it works really well with a partition. And at the end of the day, if it's too long, you can always trim this pretty easily. It's a really thin material. So we're gonna put those D-rings back in right now. There are little slits in the floor. I don't know if you can see that right there. You can't see it on this side, so if you don't want holes in this, you do not have to cut it, but there are little slits in the back of this floor where you can put a hole in there so you can get our D-rings back in. And that just about does it for this pretty easy install of the weatherguard floor for the RAM ProMaster City. This is your basic level floor. It does have a little bit of a, you touch it and you almost have like a little bit of the residue left over. It does have a little bit of a smell too. It's your thinnest basic floor that you can get for the RAM ProMaster City, but it's a good value, still lets you use your D-rings. It is a super simple installation. Now, if you're looking for this product or any other equipment to make your van work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. My name is Ryan, and have a good one.